Sup guys, it's CoolStoryBroTech, and today's video we're going to be checking out the new MacBook Neo. Now this is Apple's cheapest MacBook ever, and this is the model I went for. So I went with the citrus color, and then I went with the 512 with the Touch ID. If you do go 256 gig model, unfortunately you won't get the Touch ID. But if you do have the extra 100, that will get you the 512 with the Touch ID. In these new MacBook Neo models, they only have 8 gigs of RAM. There's no way you can actually configure it to a 16 to a 32, but it's the very first Mac to have an Apple A18 Pro chip. So we're going to go through all the ports on the MacBook Neo. 2 USB-C ports, a headphone jack, and a speaker grill. On the other side, there's another speaker grill. The MacBook Neo display is a liquid retina 13-inch. It supports up to 500 nits of brightness, supports for 1 billion colors, perfect for watching TV shows and movies. It has dual speaker sound system for spatial audio when playing your favorite TV shows, movies, and your favorite music, and also your other favorite video content. The MacBook Neo does come with a front-facing camera that supports up to 1080p taking photos and 1080p for video recordings, which is really good. I literally thought it would be a 720 or even a 540 on this MacBook Neo. Is pretty cool. Also, the dual speakers on the MacBook Neo are good for gaming sessions, but don't expect it to play every single game going. Here's a few games I recorded on the MacBook Neo.
Charlie, Colin, Phil, the 14K, all on. Shit.
If you do own an Apple TV, you can actually connect your MacBook Neo to the big screen. All you have to do is go onto screen mirroring, find the device you want to connect to, click on it, and then boom, your MacBook Neo will be on the big screen. Now the MacBook Neo does connect to your favorite Apple headphones, and it's just a breeze to connect. Is meant to last up to 16 hours on video streaming and up to 11 hours of web browsing. And of course, you get the USB-C charger cable, which is 1.5 meters. Now, it says you can only go up to 20 watts. And as you can see in the video, I've got about 90 watts. And I feel like it's a lot more faster at charging. I've charged it for a couple of days now, and I've had no problems. So the question is, who's this Mac Neo for? If you like gaming, editing basic videos, listening to your favorite music, watching your favorite TV shows and movies, checking your schedule, on FaceTime with family and friends, editing basic photos, and browsing the web